What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing some Subway Surfers. I never did it, so I'm gonna do it. Hope you enjoy. I'm not used to this scroll thing. Okay. That was not on purpose. Well, it was, but I didn't mean to do that. No, I'm just gonna la 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 la. I haven't did a video of it, but I have been playing it, and you'll see how much coins I have in a minute. Until I crash. I'm gonna put on some music. I'm not gonna talk because I'm concentrated. Well, I will. So, I haven't been lately giving videos because I have been school, work, homework, and my day off. I take a day off from videos, so I maybe change that to do videos on Saturday and Sunday, or some holidays, like it's the day off of school. I might make some videos, only one a day. Well, not one a day, but when I come home from school, it's 3:30. I'm in 3rd grade, by the way. And yeah, I'm in Lakewood, Lions Elementary School thing. Okay. And yeah. Oh, this is the hard part. I keep scrolling. Jump! Oh! I'm getting that. One hour later. Oh, fresh. I am still on my thingy. Ow, oh, no. That must be the mystery maker. No. I didn't crash. I use mine. I like using my keys sometimes. So I want to give you some more gameplay. Oh, no! Box. Yeah. Mine. And I hope you will subscribe. And, this is a challenge. Oh, school fire. This is a challenge for you all. You have to do 50 likes. That's a lot. And subscribe. And I'll make more videos for you. Okay? I'll do this. That skull thingy. A jiggy. Ooh, another. Oh, I got a 10 multiplier. Coin multiplier. Oh, I don't think it's coin multiplier. No, it's not coin. jump. No. Yes, money. I don't want to double up. Oh, I reached it. Yes, my goal has been accomplished. I'm still in bronze. I'm way faster. 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I'm not. Ah, she beat me. She was right here somewhere. And then I was like beating her all the way here. And then a lot of people played. And then Angela, came up top for me. Yeah! I want to double up. Bye.